Hi, this is Bill Brower for Inside Edge Systems, covering TradeStation 10 menuing, the proper menu setup, and the best way to access features. One of the biggest changes between TradeStation 9.5 and TradeStation 10 is the menuing. The creation of TradeStation 10 wiped out a big feature of TradeStation 9.5. The user used to have control of exactly what components were visible in each chart menu. Now the only option is to display or not display the chart menus. Many chart options are no longer available and one menu doesn't work at all. Most things are at least one level further down in the submenus than in 9.5 and require more mouse clicks to activate. Let's start with the menu bar toolbar under View Platform Toolbars. It has the File, Edit, View, Windows, Help selections in a white border at the top of the screen. If you choose to turn off the menu bar, it is a bit tricky to get back, so I don't advise removing it. It's like driving without a steering wheel. You're going to want to checkmark Workspace and Status Bar. This displays Workspace tabs at the bottom left, and to the right is the current status of open positions, buying power, profit and loss, the trading account, and status of real-time connection to TradeStation. All important stuff that you want to be able to view at all times. The main toolbar has a handful of grayed out icons that duplicate menu selections provided elsewhere. That is why this menu is not needed. The next menu selection under the View menu is Application Tools. It would have been better named Chart Window Toolbars, and there are 3 of them. These toolbars appear inside chart windows instead of attached to the Workspace title bar. They are accessed from View Application Toolbars Customize, which opens a Customize dialog box. A curious name, since no customization is available. The first category is Commands, and this can be ignored because it is not hooked up and does not work at all. The third category is Options, and it is set properly. And the second category is Toolbars, and there are 3 listed. Chart Drawing Tools, Charting Tools, and Charting Tools Classic. You really want just 2 of them, the Charting Tools and Charting Tools Classic. The Classic menu includes all the drawing tools provided by the Chart Drawing Tools toolbar, and so you are not missing anything by not displaying the Chart Drawing Tools toolbar. It is on the Classic that you will get access to the strategy report, the optimization report, and the analysis commentary icons. These features are not available through any other menus, yet they are some of the most frequently used features. By default, chart menus appear only in the active window, which I guess is okay. If your window gets too small, the menu collapses a bit and you may need to click on the little down triangle at the end of the menu called Toolbar Options, which opens a dialog box with the missing drawing tools. Alternately, there is an option when you select Application Toolbars to show toolbars in all windows or show no toolbars in any windows. Unfortunately, there is no option to show chart toolbars attached to the title bar. These are the basic menu settings you will need to begin working with the platform. There are at least 6 other places with settings that will be covered in separate videos, but the aforementioned are the most basic to charting. So there you have it. If you liked the video, you know what to do. Also, please visit me on InsideEdge.net. Thanks for listening.